morning, this is Anjali and you are watching Satyagni News. Mr. Pawan Bansal said that, as you know, the Election Commission has announced the dates of Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala, West Bengal and Puducherry elections. We welcome this announcement. In a democracy, elections are held on time and must be held, and we hope that the Election Commission will fulfill these constitutional responsibilities with fairness, without fear, or favor. It is said that the people of these 5 provinces who have been at the center of the Bharatiya Janata Party government at the center and the place they have been, their misrule who have been having anti-people policies, they will give full answer in this election. BJP will be defeated and democracy will win again for the bright and good future of the people. And the feelings that they have will be revealed in the recent past by the governments of the Bharatiya Janata Party, especially the central government. You see that in the policies that have been in place, the government has never been ready to admit its mistakes. The matter is old, but our people, the people of the country, are suffering even today. Demonstration took place, what upset people and how much it hurt our economy. GST was imposed with haste without any thought. Repeated changes have to be made and still in a truly efficient manner, in a seamless manner, as well as the ways in which the reforms that should have come in taxation did not come. People's troubles have increased, and when this government says that so much money has come to us with GST, which they repeatedly mention about it by beating their drum and patting themselves on the back saying it is success. They forget that it was not just GST being a better system. It was due to inflation and more taxes. There was so much inflation in this time, above which the same GST has increased more on the people.
अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले इसे सब्सक्राइब कर ले, साथ में रेड कलर के बेल आइकन को दबाएं, जिससे कि रोजाना देश विदेश की खबरें आप तक पहले पहुंच सके। साथ में आप अपने सुझाव को हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं और इसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें।